Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is in abundance. In abundance. In abundance. In abundance is a phrase used to indicate that something is present in large quantities or is plentiful. It emphasizes the idea of an excess or a copious amount of something. Here are some examples. Example number 1. During the harvest season, fruits and vegetables are available in abundance at the local markets. Why in abundance is used in example number 1. In abundance is used to convey the idea that fruits and vegetables are present in large quantities, emphasizing the plentiful availability during the harvest season. Example number 2. The park is filled with flowers in abundance, creating a colorful and vibrant atmosphere. Why in abundance is used in example number 2. In abundance describes the profusion of flowers in the park, emphasizing the presence of a large number of flowers that contribute to the vibrant atmosphere. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.